Hello, I'm Bobby Ailed from ELD Devices. In the trucking industry, navigation goes beyond just finding the quickest route. It's about ensuring safety, efficiency, and meeting the industry's unique demands. Here are the top 7 GPS systems tailored for truckers. Number 7. Geotab. Geotab offers an open platform fleet management solution that provides advanced driver and vehicle reporting, safety features, and integration capabilities. Its most current GPS units include Geotab Go 9 and Go 9 Rugged. Key features. Advanced reporting provides insights into fuel usage, idling times, and more. Safety features. It offers accident detection and notification, seatbelt reminders, and risk management reports. Integration capabilities. It allows integration with other software systems, providing a comprehensive fleet management solution. Number 6. GPS Track-It. It provides a range of solutions including fleet management, video monitoring, asset tracking, and field service management. The VidFleet Smart Video Monitoring detects unsafe driving behaviors, and their asset tracking feature allows real-time and on-demand geofence and landmark alerts. They also offer a real-time, two-way messaging platform for improved communication between managers and drivers. Key features. Up-to-the-minute data. Provides tracking of vehicles, helping to improve routing and response times. Comprehensive reporting. Offers insights into driver behavior, vehicle health, and more. Alert systems. Sends notifications for events like speeding, idling, or geofence breaches. Number 5. Garmin. Garmin is a renowned name in the GPS industry, and the Diesel OTR 710 is one of their premium offerings for truckers. It offers a combination of reliable software with durable hardware. Key features. High-resolution bird's-eye satellite imagery. Provides precise aerial views of loading docks, truck entrances, and security gates. Customized routing. Creates routes based on the size and weight of the truck, alerting drivers to upcoming bridge heights, weight limits, sharp curves, steep grades, and more. Build quality. Users have praised the Garmin for its superior build quality, especially when compared to other GPS units. Number 4. Rand McNally. Rand McNally's TND 750 is a popular choice among truck drivers for its comprehensive features and competitive pricing. Key features. Rand Navigation 2.0 provides real-time traffic and weather overlays, 3D structures and junction views, and truck-specific points of interest. Customized routing. Allows drivers to create truck-specific routes based on height, weight, and cargo type. Fuel tracking. Enables drivers to track fuel purchases and mileage to calculate fuel economy. While the software capabilities of Rand McNally are often praised, some users have pointed out issues with its build quality. Number 3. Samsara. Samsara is renowned for its comprehensive GPS tracking solutions, integrating advanced technology across various devices. It provides insights into vehicle health, driver safety, and efficient routing. Key features. Vehicle EOT Gateway ELD offers advanced GPS tracking capabilities integrated with ELD functionalities for compliance and efficient fleet management. Unpowered Powered Asset Gateways enables GPS tracking for a wide range of assets, both powered and unpowered, ensuring visibility and security. Powered Asset Gateway Plus, an enhanced version of the Asset Gateway offering additional features and capabilities for powered assets. AI Dashcam incorporates artificial intelligence with dashcam technology for real-time incident recording and driver safety monitoring. Real-time GPS tracking provides live-to-the-second GPS tracking to offer accurate vehicle locations. Wireless sensors monitors various parameters like temperature, humidity, and door openings to ensure safe and compliant operations. Number 2. Verizon Connect. It combines GPS fleet tracking, vehicle diagnostics, and mobile workforce management to provide a comprehensive fleet management solution. Key features. GPS fleet tracking provides real-time vehicle tracking and historical playback. Vehicle diagnostics offers insights into fuel efficiency, engine health, and more. Mobile workforce management helps manage drivers and jobs, improving communication and job completion rates. Number 1. Motiv, formerly Keep Truckin'. It offers an automated operations platform with AI dashcams, ELD compliance, GPS tracking, and spend management. They provide real-time visibility into vehicle, equipment, and asset locations and health, making them a top choice for various industries. Key features. AI dashcams enhance safety with real-time detection of unsafe driving behaviors. ELD compliance simplifies complex regulations with an ELD that drivers love. GPS tracking offers real-time visibility into the location, utilization, and health of vehicles and assets. Each of these GPS systems offers unique features and capabilities tailored to different fleet needs. When choosing a GPS system for trucking, it's important to consider the specific requirements of the fleet, the size of the fleet, and the desired outcomes from the system. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more trucking tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and your journey smooth.